Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, if Notepad is not working on a Windows 10 operating system, I will show how to troubleshoot this issue. So first of all, click on Start menu and then click on Setting icon. Once you click on Setting icon, go to System and you scroll it down and look for Optional Features. And on the search bar you need to type on Notepad. Once you click on Notepad, just click on uninstall, and once the uninstallation is done, just restart your system and then follow the same steps to come here again and click on add features. You need to follow this step after the restart and type on Notepad. Once you type as the Notepad, you will see Notepad is listed below. Just select that option here, for example, and click on install. Once you install it, the Notepad will be reinstalled and it will fix your issue. So if the issue is still not fixed, open the CMD as an administrator, right click and run as an administrator. And you need to type here sfc /scan now. This will scan any hardware software issues like Windows operating system related issues, and once this is done, also restart your system thereafter and it will surely fix your issue. So hope this video useful for you guys. If your issue is still not fixed, let's say Notepad is still not working, type create restore point and you can see here create restore point. If you have created a restore point on our Windows, it will reinstall all the settings and all the things. Next, select, you can see here the date and time, click on finish. Once you click on finish, click on yes button and your system will be restored when the Notepad was working fine and it will fix your issue. So hopefully guys, your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.